Okay guys, welcome to my house. Or outside my house at the moment. Okay, let's go in. This is my bed where my friends are using it at the moment. There must have been one crazy party last night. Jesus. And this is my dog. Yeah. So that's him. He's having a bit of a glitch at the moment. Okay. Bad dog, bad dog. Time to go in your kennel. Go in your kennel. Go in your kennel. Stop attacking me. Go it. Stop it. Go in your kennel. Okay, stop running. Stop running. I said get in there. Go in your kennel. There you go. Stay in it. Here lies the Zoidberg. Oh, he's not on fire anymore. Okay, let's change that. Okay. What happens if I do this? Okay. Did not expect that. It is said that the great Master Chief can survive anything. Now let's see if he can survive this. Okay, stay there, stay there. Oh Jesus, no! Excuse me! Are you dead? Hello? 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 Yeah, I think he's dead. Okay, now we're gonna see if you can survive being shot in the head. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh come on, man. That was just a bullet in the head. You're supposed to be able to survive that. Oh my god. You are so awful. Stop, get off me. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I've had enough of this. Prepare for explosion! What? Why did I not kill you? Oh god, no. Okay, I think today we have proven that T-Rexes are indestructible. And, really scary. Let's end this video with a bang.